Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the verification code issue on Picsart app on your iPhone or Android phone. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. If you are using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. A weak or unstable connection can stop the verification code from arriving. Then make sure you're entering the correct phone number and email address. Even a small mistake can prevent the code from arriving. If the app sends the code through email, make sure to check your spam or junk folder as well, because the messages might be filtered there sometimes. Then restart your phone and restart the app and try again. You can also turn airplane mode on for about 10 to 15 seconds and turn it back off. This will refresh your connection. Then make sure your phone is able to receive text messages. Some users accidentally block unknown numbers or disable SMS, so turn it on. You should also remove any VPN connection because VPNs can sometimes interfere with verification systems. If the code is still not arriving, wait a few minutes before trying again. Requesting too many codes in a short period of time can temporarily block the new verification attempts. If available, try using the voice call verification option instead of SMS. Then go to the App Store and then search for Picsart, and make sure to update the app from App Store or Google Play Store to the latest version, as outdated versions may cause login and verification issues. Finally, if none of these work, go ahead and contact the Picsart support directly and report issue with their account or phone number. That's how you fix verification code not received on Picsart. Subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials.